Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Mammee and we're going to tell you about this massive development that China Harbour Engineering Company is going to be doing by Roaring River. Now that's the property on the right where you see the cleared space. To the left, that's the Northern Coastal Highway that takes you into Ocho Rios. On the right is the north-south highway that takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios. It's Kingston to Mammee, or basically Ocho Rios. So CHEC was given 1,000 acres of land beside the highway. So their land starts here and goes all the way back on the highway. It's a massive development. But right now they're developing 160 acres out of the 1,000 acres. And this land has created a lot of discussion, or I should say, this development has created a lot of discussion because they're saying it's going to damage the environment. CHEC is saying that they did their environmental studies and no damage will happen. So we're just going to go through an article that gives you more information on exactly what they plan to do. The planned housing and subdivision development at Mammee Bay, led by China Harbour Engineering Company, is a significant project covering 160 acres of the Roaring River Mammee Bay estate. The project proposes to include 69 deluxe and standard 3-bedroom units along with nearly 200 1- and 2-bedroom units in multi-story complexes expected to house around 4,000 people. This development is set to feature modern amenities such as a clubhouse, pool, gyms, parks, and nature trails. Its strategic location close to major attractions like Dunn's River Falls, Pearly Beach, and nearby resorts, as well as its proximity to the commercial hubs like Draxall and major towns like Ocho Rios and St. Anne's Bay, enhances its appeal. Real estate experts have expressed confidence in the high demand for these units, with one stating they could sell quickly due to the area's desirability. The environmental impact assessment, well, they were granted the EIA, so the project should start very soon. That's the end of the update article. This is what you call prime real estate in Jamaica. Prime. I wouldn't be surprised if they're all sold out within 2 weeks of them going on the market. Alright guys, so that is what everybody is talking about. It's this development. Now when China Harbour Engineering Company was coming to Jamaica to build a north-south highway, they said to the government, give us 1,000 acres of land beside the highway as part of the payment for the highway. And the government said yes and gave them. And that's what they're developing now. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell us what you think. Have a good day.